All right, WilliamTJRealty back again for another new home tour. Today I'm in a Riceland community. Today I'm gonna be touring the 2 Perry homes here on the model strip. As you see, the model strip is done. We had a realtor event yesterday. It was a very good turnout, so it's a lot of people actually come by today to view these homes because of that. Yours truly was published in the paper talking about this community. So I'm excited about that. That was the first time I was in the paper. So I was in the Baytown Sun. They did like a little audio interview of me. So in the Baytown Sun, they have me published there. So without further ado, guys, I'm gonna be showing you this home here by Perry Homes. It's a 4-bedroom, it's a 3-bathroom. This home is 2544 in the square footage. It has a office in it, and it's very nice looking house. Again, a little more about this community. It's a master plan community, goes right up to Eagle Point. They're gonna have a little town center there, right there about a city hall. And yeah, everybody's excited about this community because it's gonna be over 4,000 homes. This area hasn't seen anything like this, anything as large as this. On this side of the community, right across from these models, we're going to have another product where they're going to have a smaller product where they're going to have back garages and little alleys in the back to park your car. So we haven't had anything like that either. Perry Homes will not be a part of that. Perry Homes right now, everything they have will be in the front. So this house is going to come with a 2-car garage. The other model I'm going to be showing a little later is going to be 3-car garage model. So without further ado, let's show you guys the house. There we go. Where you see the 2 windows on the right hand side, my right hand side, that's where the garage would be. So Perry does a good job at making these extra suites. So this is not the master bedroom, this is the front suite. If you're having a guest staying over, perfect for them. They have their own bathroom here. This is where the garage would be. Nice size pantry. They did an excellent job at staging. If you look at the table over there, it's not staged, it's actually built into the house. There's a little counter over there. Washroom. And throughout this house, these doors are 8 foot. These ceilings are about 11 feet. The third bedroom. Closets are mini walk-in. And the master bedroom, impressive as it should be, with a nice staging by Perry Homes. If you guys didn't know, Perry Home has its own stagers that are in-house, unique from other builders. So the tub and the shower are separate. And it has 2 separate closets on each side of the tub. So if you guys are married or have a significant other, you have your own closet. Nice big porch. They also did a good job with staging the outside. There's a lot of construction going on here, so you're gonna hear a lot of noise. And inside of this little fence here is a generator because this community also doesn't have electricity yet. Well, there you have it, another nice home tour, this time by Perry Homes here in the Riceland community. Perry Homes has the, I want to say, the reputation and the stance of being probably the the highest end, I'll use those words, builder in the area, for simple reasons that they don't want to make a smaller product. They're only making the larger product. They have this product, then they have the next product that I'm going to be showing you guys that has the 3-car garage. So they're only doing those and they're not going below. The other builders are making nicer products like this also, but they're also making smaller products for people who have a lower price point. But Perry Homes is not doing that, so that's why I said that they're the highest end builder in this subdivision. No disrespect to the other ones, of which they're high end also, but they just also will include a product that is a little more affordable. So with that being said, here at Perry Homes, the cost of these are going to be starting in the 400s and all the way up to the upper 600s, I believe. This is not the most affordable for most people living in this area. A lot of people from out of state, if you're from California, New York, that's normal, but out here in Texas, that's not the most affordable pricing. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. I really liked it. Everything looks really nice. I like the sod that they have back here, the landscaping that they have here, the brick everywhere around it. So this is a very nice product. Guys, let me know what else you guys would want to see. I'm going to be showing you all the builders in this community. After that, I think I'm going to start showing the spec homes that they have that's going to be already built, which a lot of those are not going to have staged furniture in them, so you're going to have to use your imagination on what they're going to look like. But this has been a very nice model home, to say the least. I really love the little fireplace here that everybody can sit around. Like that design. Of course, a lot of this stuff is upgrades. If you wanted it in your house, it'll be an extra cost. Models commonly come with different upgrades. Guys, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my videos, my content. Also, if you guys are interested in new homes here in the Mont Belvieu area, you can go to Mont Belvieu homesforsale.com, or you guys can go to WilliamTJRealty /newhomeconstruction.com, either one. And if you guys want to learn more about the Riceland community, just visit Mont Belvieu homesforsale.com and find the tab that's entitled Riceland for more information. Until then, guys, see you guys in the next video.